Resistance measurement. Press the front panel disp key to switch to the multimeter interface. The M icon is displayed. Press the front panel Omega/OVP key. Begin resistance measurement. Press the front panel Omega/OVP key. Perform continuity test. Buzzer sounds when circuit resistance is below 50 ohms. Press the front panel Omega/OVP key. Perform diode measurement. Press the front panel Omega/OVP key. Enter capacitance measurement mode.